Hello everyone, this is Ujjwal, and in this experiment I'm going to show how to do the both for the preprocessor and the microprocessor. So preprocessor are the certain things that we define before the beginning of the main program. So that certain like if we suppose want to define certain values, so we can define here and we can use that value entire the main program. So the major benefit of this thing will be like suppose if we have a variable with name max, so if we change that value max, and it will be constant entirely in all the functions. So if you want to change the value, we can just change in has defined and it will be changed. So let's see the program. The main function I have defined as str key var value as a string data type. After that I am running while getLine c in comma s. So what this thing is doing, it is taking out input from the user continuously until you press q caps q, so it will get out of the loop. So here what I am doing, str plus s plus pipe operator. So I am concatenating every string with the pipe operator. So suppose if you type any line and you press enter, so between that one pipe operator will come. So it will help me to distinguish between various lines. So here we have a certain variable, so str.length. So I am storing the length of the string in len variable, and after that I am creating a character array len. So now what I am doing, I am copying that string in a character array, character by character. Now what we have while a of I. So what it does, it will these things will just try to find has defined. So first it will search for has. If we find has, then again it will go inside and it will search for has defined, and flag will be set to 1. So what will we do, f equal to 0 and then a of I equal to space. So what we'll do, we'll scan the entire line until we find the space. So whenever we find this space, what we'll do, we'll just copy the entire word after that space. Suppose has defined space max, so we'll copy all the max variable into array, into a string called var. So a of I will be copied character by character to the var. So now we already got the value of the variable. So in the next line what we'll do, we'll just skip the one more character space, and after that what we'll do, we'll just go while a of I will just search for the pipe operator. Until we find the pipe operator, we'll store all the values in the val string. So it will be copying all the character by character to val string. Now what we'll do, if we find the pipe operator, so as we know that this is all about the line. So now what we have, here I am doing key equal to int main, so it will work as a int main function. Inside the int main function I am including ifl flag as 1. So here I am saying ifl as 1. So if a of I plus 1 equal to pipe operator, so if we find the pipe operator, what we'll do, we'll just see out key, and what we'll do, we'll key dot find var. So what we'll do, we'll just use this function to find the that variable that we have stored. So if we find that variable, what we'll do, we'll just replace that variable. So we'll do key dot replace key comma find var comma var dot length then value. So var dot length, what we'll do, suppose if a certain variable is start with x, now we want to replace with xy, so it will just help us to keep the consistency of size of the string. So it will increase the and shift the size so that we can store two characters in a single line. So after that what we'll do, we'll already replace all these things. Then again what we'll do, we'll again scan all the things and we'll be printing all the program. So this is all about the programming part. Let's see how it's working here. So in this thing, what we'll do, we'll just uh, go and try to compile the program. So wq, and then I'm here compiling the program, g plus mac final, and then a dot out. Suppose I'm giving input as has include IO stream, then has defined max equal to 5, then int main. Here we have to give int main because our key is int main only. Then suppose if I am defining c equal to 5 plus max, then max plus plus, then max. So after that, this will be the all for the program. Then we will be executing the program. Yeah, here if you see, we have defined max equal to 5. So what we are doing, we already removed the defined max equal to 5 and c equal to 5 plus 5. So the value of max is replaced with 5. So that key dot variable key dot replace we have function used. That's the major benefit of that function. Then max plus plus will be 5 plus plus, and then we will be printing max. So we'll be printing max. So here actually we missed the comma, that's why it's coming like that. So this is all for the program. Thank you for watching.